What's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aki Vlogs, and yes, in today's video we are going to talk about this mobile holder which almost looks invisible, beautiful, compact and stylish. So let's go. Yes, quick disclaimer, this video is sponsored by GrandPitstop, which means if you guys like the product, you guys can use coupon code before buying this and help me make some money, but I promise I won't be biased. A quick switch to POV, and that's the best because I have two hands and I guys can show you the proper installation procedure. If you guys have been following my vlogs regularly, you would know I had a plastic mobile holder right over here. I decided to change from that to this because obviously number one, GrandPitstop decided to sponsor this video, and second, that was plastic and it was creating a lot of rattling sound when I was riding, and that is one thing I hate. And this looks beautiful. It's stainless steel, light, looks strong and easy to handle. So let's open up this compact packing from GrandPitstop. It's literally this small, and inside this I have this thing, obviously the mobile holder and a few clamps and an Allen key, and this is always useful. There is never too many Allen keys. This can straight up go into my toolkit after yes up. Well, you and I both know this is no rocket science, so all I'm going to take is the clamp, gonna put this bracket, another one right over here, and goes to my bike. So this bracket has to be as close as possible to the leftmost side of your handlebar, because if you guys see, there's a stopper right over here. So yes, now we need the screw and the Allen key. So then this rubbery material goes over here. You close it like this, and when you put your phone over here, it generally stretches like this to the top, left, right, and bottom, left and right. But I'm actually not going to use this. You guys should actually. I'm not going to use it because when I'm going to ride without a phone, it's going to be very wobbly, and I don't like flimsy and wobbly stuff on my bike. And moreover, I trust this. Look at it, it's bent towards the inside, right? So it's going to be enough and capable to hold the phone. And if you guys notice, these grips, they are very nice, very strong, and they're premium in quality. That's one thing I love about this. Hi-fi kodu. This almost looks like it's a part of the bike, so there's no problem. Now let's have my phone on top of it. All you have to do is loosen this, and any phone between 4 to 6 inches is gonna stay on it. Now watch this. I don't think this is gonna come out, and I don't think I need this piece either. The thing is, if this piece is there and I'm riding high speed without a phone there, it's gonna keep doing this, and I don't like flimsy and wobbly stuff on it. तो चलिए एक राइड करके आते हैं, देखते हैं कि इसका कितना ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं. चलो. Oh yeah, now that I'm outside, I would also like to talk about some other things GrandPitstop offers. See, this is not the only kind of mobile holder they offer. They also have 3 different types with the mobile charger as well. I didn't choose to get that because, as you guys can see, I already have it, and I wanted something that just serves my purpose. And now coming to the costing part of it, I saw on the site it cost somewhere around 1,200 for this one without the mobile charger, and the other one was 1,600 or 700 approx. With my coupon code that is coming right over here, you get a 5% discount. So go ahead, grab your piece quick. And how I see it is, this is a one-time investment, guys. I actually had 2 other plastic pieces. They costed 600 each. That is 1,200 right away. Instead of that, if I would get this initially, I wouldn't waste 1,200 bucks. So grab this. It's pretty nice. It's a one-time investment, so might as well buy the best before trying the rest. Wow. Most of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel, so make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you guys in another one. Peace.